What's going on, guys? Today I have some fans. It is summer and it is super hot, so obviously we got to take a look at some fans, right? If you've seen my previous video, I am a big fan of Dreo's product, from their heater to their AC unit. Today we got fans, not just one but two fans. Okay, these are tower fans. They look great at your house. Anyway, we're going to go really detailed into those, so grab some popcorn. We're gonna do that right now. So first off, the first fan, the black one, is called the Smart Tower fan. The model number on that one is 519S, all right? The second one is a white one over here. I'm glad they sent me a white and a black one so I can tell the difference. The white one over here is called the TurboPoly fan. The model on that one is 508S, all right? Both of these actually can connect to your phone. Yeah, they've pretty much gone all out on this thing. The fans is just not a simple fan anymore. It's actually connected. They're smart fan, quote unquote smart fans. The big one here is, you need to realize, is one of them actually serves as like a lamp. I don't know who thought of this idea, but it's a pretty cool idea. I want to show you that, and then at the same time, the other one, this is the regular tower fan that you keep seeing. But at the same time though, it connects to your phone and you can control that with your phone and everything. Anyway, we're gonna go into that as well. So in terms of power, both of these right here can blast 26 feet right in front of you. So no problem at all. Both of these can handle that. Both of these can rotate left to right, 90 degree. A special thing about the TurboPoly is that, obviously you see it here, it can shoot up. You're probably thinking to yourself, that's kind of strange. I want air going directly at me. Well, maybe you don't. Let's say, for instance, I'm standing right here and I don't want air to shoot right at me because let's say I'm wearing a mic. It does that buzzing sound, the wind noise, you know what I'm saying? So even though I do want air, I actually can flip this thing up. It shoots up and the air actually comes down and you still get that cool feeling, if you know what I'm talking about. So yeah. Pretty unique right there. If you're one of those that doesn't like air blowing in your face, both comes with a remote. I'm glad that one's black, one's white, but both are pretty much the same in terms of the remotes. They have the same functionality on there. Now, if you look at the TurboPoly, you think to yourself, where am I going to put this remote? I'm going to lose it, right? Well, they actually have a holster that comes with the fan, and I've put it in the back there, and you just drop that in. The Smart Tower fan, actually, I can just throw it right back here because there's actually a place for you to lift this fan. You can actually throw this thing in here. All right, now let's plug these baby in and then let's show you the LED that's on these things. Okay, so I have these things hooked up right now, but before I turn it on and the wind starts blowing, I want you guys to take a look at the Dreo app really quickly because this thing right here is pretty amazing. So the Dreo app, I already have the Dreo app because I have the AC unit, but let's say I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna go add device, okay? And look, it just starts to find all of the device that I have going around me. I didn't do anything at all right here. So the Dreo app is pretty good. It uses your Bluetooth and it just Bluetooth that's just hanging out here. So now I can just actually literally click on this one. I'm gonna connect it to my Wi-Fi by entering the password to my Wi-Fi. And now this thing is gonna connect to my Wi-Fi and I can do things like connect this to Alexa, or I connect this to Google if you are one of those that use the Google Assistant. Okay, so now both fans are connected to my Alexa app right here. So I can actually ask it to do things like, Alexa, turn on the TurboPoly fan. Okay, now so let's go ahead and turn that off. Now I'm gonna say to turn this one on right here. Turn on the tower fan. There you have it. Turn on, and because it remember my setting from before, it just starts to rotate at a 90 degree. Now here's the thing about the app itself is that if you're using the Amazon app, you can actually tell it to rotate or not. So there you go. You hear that little beep right there. Let's go ahead and turn that on now. Now it's going to start rotating back to me. Everything controlled by this right here. All right, so the last thing on this app is that you can actually turn the display off. Now, let me just tilt that a little bit so you guys can see it. why would you want to turn that off? Well, at night, if you have this thing on, it can be pretty bright for some people. I know some people that don't like those bright display on. So you can turn it off on the app itself and it will turn that off. Let's turn that on so you guys can see what speed is on. So right now it's on 7. You can see this little slider right over here. I can actually decrease that slider to a 1. Now let's increase the slider all the way to a 9, which is the maximum speed. Now we're going to go over to the TurboPoly. Okay, now the TurboPoly has a little bit more unique feature to it. Let's check this out. And by the way, I'm using it all on the Alexa app right here. It's not the Dreo app, okay? The Dreo app will have a lot more features, I'm pretty sure. Right now I'm just going through the Alexa app. Okay, so for the TurboPoly, let's go ahead and ask it. Turn on the TurboPoly fan, please. There you have it. Set the fan speed of the TurboPoly to 7, please. See that? Now it's at level 7. Now I can say level 1 and it will turn that to level 1. Check this out. Set the TurboPoly fan speed to 1. Now it's at 1. I'm not even pushing any buttons. I'm just telling her to do all these things. Okay, now here's some unique things about this fan that I've never seen in any other fan, okay? Check this out. So right now, it's at level 1, obviously, because I just told it to. But here, you can actually change the angle, all right? Horizontal angle and vertical angle. Those are the two things that you worry about. So right now, it's facing us, right? Let's say if I were to move this, the horizontal angle, I can tell it to face another way. Okay, now next I'm going to say let's do the vertical angle all the way up. Now it's tilting up. So because the way this fan is built, it can go literally 360 degree if you wanted to. Now let's go ahead and tell it to go all the way back. And then let's tilt this baby down. Yeah, hold on. Yep, let's tilt this baby down. So you can see, moving right there. Awesome. So while it's doing that, let me show you the other thing right here, which is very unique to this fan right here, and I've never seen it in any other fan as well. So here it is, ambient light. You can turn ambient light on. Okay, so you may not see that, but you probably saw my reflection on my TV right there. Okay, so what I've done is I've turned off all of my lights now, and just to show you the RGB that's on this thing. So here, the default is the white one. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Dreo app. So the Dreo app itself has a bunch of different options. So if you're only using the Alexa app, then you're not going to get all these options. But in the Dreo app, you have all these options right here. You can actually make it brighter. And now I can change it to, let's say, a little orangey, red if I want to, green, blue, and pretty much whatever color that's in the spectrum. You have a slider right here that you can use. You can go high speed breathing, you can go slower breathing. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you on this fan that I've never seen in any other fans is that you can actually adjust the rotation. Let's say this is horizontal rotation that it's doing right now. I can actually go into the app and fine tune the rotation. I don't want it to go too far, and I only want it to go in this direction. So you're asking yourself, why would this be useful? Well, let's say if your bed is at one angle and it only takes up a bit of the room, you don't want it to over rotate. And so that's a waste of air, right? That's why, to me, this feature is probably one of the best features that I've seen in a fan, period. All right, so one more feature that I want to talk to you guys about. It's really not super important, but it is to some people. Check this out. This tower fan right here, comes with a pretty nice base, in my opinion. So if you have kids and they tend to knock things around, not too bad, right? This one right here actually comes with a weighted base, and you look at the way this is built, I mean, it's just a stick, right? You figure it'll tip over pretty easily, but that's not the case at all. The weighted base is really nice, actually. Yeah, this is not going anywhere. If you actually knocked it over, it's not going anywhere. And guys, I actually have this thing on some store right now. So, all right, so hopefully I went through all of the feature of this fan. If you have any questions, let me know. Depending on your setup, like for instance, I have a gaming setup here where all of my furniture is pretty much white. I'd probably go with the TurboPoly white because the design on that looks pretty much like all of my IKEA furniture. This one right here, I'm probably gonna take it downstairs, put it near my bedroom, because my bedroom is just all black. Anyway, all depends on you. Dreo got it covered. Have a good one. Bye-bye.